So far, I've found little content on the fuming process by anybody on Instagram or by Rubio Monocoat, so let's get to it. You'll want to pour a little bit of the fumed product onto a lint-free cloth. Now, our babies are all older, and so essentially I've got an endless supply of lint-free cloths. That's for kids for you. Rub the product in, as you see here. I'm putting an even coverage across the piece, and in just a few minutes, you'll see the magic start to happen. You'll want to wait 24 hours before applying any other product, but quite quickly you'll see the fuming product happen and the reacting with the tannins in the wood. This is the coolest part about this process. Since this is my first voiceover, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe or like button, as it lets YouTube know this is content that others should see, and really, I appreciate the support. Next, I'll be applying the oil plus 2C with the accelerator shown, which is mixed loosely at a ratio of 3:1. And that's 3 parts of the color, so in this case I'm using white 5% and 1 part accelerator. And the accelerator just happens to help make the product cure a little bit faster. You don't need to use as much as you think, and that was one of the things that I got to know with this product, is that a little goes a long way. I ended up using a white scrubby pad. Really, I have no idea what the name of this is, and it just worked it into the material. I found it important to work the product into the grain for that maximum application. Rubbing it in kind of side to side, circular or up and down. And it didn't scratch the surface, but it really worked that, in this case, the white 5% into the grain lines. You'll want to let the product react with the wood, and in this case I'm using white oak, for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives it ample amount of time to soak in and really allows that grain to pop. Once 10 to 15 minutes has passed, you'll want to wipe it off with that lint-free cloth. I want to give a quick shout out to Rubio Monocoat as well as Windsor Plywood Sherwood Park for providing the samples. Your support means a lot. Thank you. Again, this is my first voiceover video, so please let me know what you think. And also, if you have a different process on applying Rubio, let me know in the comments below. Lastly, if you'd like to know more about me, check out my introduction video on the left, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.